Hello creative minds, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a neon lights and glow effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. And before jumping to the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel, and if you're not, just hit the red button. So here's our picture and we are going to working on it. And first of all, we have to decrease the brightness all over the image, and to do this we have to create a curves adjustment layer and decrease the opacity decrease the highlights like this. Yes, nice. Now we have to create another layer. So take a new layer and go to the pen tools and create a shape like this, like a triangle. Now press B to select brush tool and go to the settings, and here you just make sure your brush size is 12 pixel, and make sure that your brush is soft brush, and change the color here red. And now go back to the pen tool and right click on your mouse and choose stroke path, and here hit OK. So here you can see your path is ready. Now just go to the blending option, select the layer and go to the blending option, and here you have to work on it. We have to make it glow, so check the inner glow and outer glow and drop shadow. So follow these settings, and if you want to change anything, that's your matter, you can do it. And here is the outer glow settings, and finally the drop shadow, and hit OK. Create a new layer and again go to the brush tool and make the brush size bigger like 60 or around 60. And now go back to the pen tool and do the same thing again, make a stroke path and hit OK. So here you can see the path is too much glowing now, so don't worry about this. Just now we have to change the fill. We have to decrease the fill around 20 pixel and change the blending mode. And here is lightening screen. You can choose anything, whatever you like, and I'm going to choose liner dot. So yeah, nice. And now let's duplicate the picture, and before we do that we have to merge this by Ctrl E, and now press Ctrl J to duplicate this. And now press select subject to select the subject, and now we have to create a layer mask. Just go to the tool panel and choose brush tool, and make sure your layer mask is selected, not the picture, and also make sure that your foreground color is black. So simply paint over this area. Now we need highlights, so create a level adjustment layer and make the highlights around 155. Yeah, fine. And now make it invert, Ctrl I, and now go to the tool panel and select brush. And before we do this, decrease the flow around 53. Now paint over the highlighted area and make some highlights there. I'm going to make it fast. Yeah, now it's nice. And now we have to create a hue saturation layer, because the highlight color is white but we need red. So create a hue saturation layer and make it colorized, and now we can change it in any color. Now make it red and increase the saturation. And are you satisfied? Yes, boom. It's looking so nice, and here it is. Your neon light is ready. If you want to use any particles, download any particle and just drag it and make it screen. That's it. So I hope you will enjoy the video, and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Goodbye.